In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix Crunchyroll app not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Enable airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, check for app update. Head over to App Store, search for Crunchyroll. If you see the option of update, click on it. Likewise, restart your device, then launch Crunchyroll again after the restart. Then you can clear cache for the Crunchyroll. For that, launch settings, go to general, head over to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Crunchyroll and launch it. Now click on offload app and confirm it. Then click on reinstall app. Next up, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website down detector. Search for Crunchyroll. Now if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Lastly, you can completely delete Crunchyroll from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your Crunchyroll app should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.